Hello and welcome back to my channel, Cooking with Shani. This is Jamaican brown stew chicken part 4. So I want to show you guys the end result of this tutorial. This is what your chicken should look like at the very end. I would have plated this meal for you, but like I said before, I was cooking this for someone and I have to prepare this the way they want it and package it in the right way. But with this chicken, you can have plain rice. What I have here is just a plain white jasmine rice. I already fluffed it up because this client doesn't like rice and peas. But I'll do a rice and peas tutorial probably for you tomorrow or another day, maybe next week. Thank you for watching this. If you have any questions or if you can give me any comments to help me do better on my next videos, please feel free to give me the feedback. I always take constructive criticism. Thank you. Bye.